Welcome to Grow with ESA. Everyone wants to know how to make money online because it's flexible, effective, and can pay very well. The only issue is that, although it is relatively easy to make money online, it's not guaranteed. That's why 98% of people never actually try. Most people prefer a job like McDonald's because it's guaranteed. You work an hour, you get paid. While making money online isn't guaranteed, it's absolutely doable. I've been doing it since I was 17. And in this video, I'll share my top 5 methods that require no money to start. Make sure to subscribe to Grow with ESA and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my future tips. Let's get started with the first method. 1. Podcast clipping. When you're scrolling through Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, you often see clips from podcasts. Whether it's impulsive, here's how it works. Step 1. Find a new and long podcast on YouTube, such as Impulsive, Full Send Podcast, or similar. Step 2. Copy the link to the podcast and use an AI clipping tool like Opus Clip. Within minutes, it will generate short vertical clips from the podcast that you can post. Step 3. Create a TikTok or YouTube Shorts account, such as Daily Dose of Podcast. Step 4. Post the clips on TikTok or YouTube using relevant hashtags, captions, and trending audio. 2. YouTube automation. Thanks to AI, YouTube automation has become a game changer for making money online. This method allows you to create videos using AI tools and earn through AdSense. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Pick a niche. Fitness, cars, beauty, fashion, fragrances, or anything you're passionate about. If you're confused about selecting niches, you can watch my video where I've discussed high RPM return per mile niches. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to write a YouTube script. For example, ask it to write a YouTube script on the 5 most effective ways to make money online. Step 3. Copy that script into an AI voice generator like 11 Labs, TT SoapNI, and ClickChamp to create a narration. You can choose the voice type, male, female, young, or old. Step 4. Create visuals for the video using tools like InVideo, Pictory, or Canva. Combine the visuals with the narration, and you're ready to post. Start posting consistently. If your content is engaging and reaches your target audience, your channel will grow. With time, you can monetize it through AdSense and even brand deals. 3. Copywriting. A copywriter creates promotional text for email campaigns and other marketing material. Even if you're not a professional writer, AI can help you. Here's how. Step 1. Find small brands or influencers on Instagram that want to grow their business. Step 2. Pitch your services via email. Offer the first email campaign for free. Step 3. If they accept, research their product or service, such as a fitness influencer's workout program. Step 4. Use ChatGPT to write a compelling promotional email. Edit and refine it to ensure it's perfect. Step 5. After delivering results, pitch an ongoing monthly package for writing their email campaigns. 4. Social media management. Many personal brands and businesses need help running their Instagram accounts, from creating content to scheduling posts. Step 1. Identify something that's lacking in their current content, maybe their posting schedule or visuals. Step 2. Offer to manage their account and provide the first service for free. Step 3. Use tools like Canva, Buffer, or vidIQ to create posts and schedule them. If the client is happy with your work, they'll likely hire you for ongoing management. 5. Affiliate marketing, the new way. Affiliate marketing has been around for a long time, but with platforms like TikTok Shop and YouTube Shop, it's now easier than ever to earn commissions. Here's how. Step 1. Pick a niche that interests you, such as tech, fitness, or beauty. Step 2. Create engaging content showcasing a product. For example, film yourself using a fitness band or reviewing a cool gadget. Step 3. On TikTok, use TikTok Shop to link the product directly in your video. When viewers buy the product through your link, you earn a commission. If TikTok Shop isn't available in your country, use Amazon's affiliate program. So, these were the 5 easiest ways to make money online without spending a dime upfront. While none of these methods guarantee success overnight, they are 100% achievable with consistency and effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Grow with ESA and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tips. If you want to grow sales, brand, store marketing, and marketplaces, then visit our website and get in touch with us. The website link of Ecom Scale Up Agency is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.